welcome to the next video on the channel. It's been a little bit of time since I was last recording, last had the chance to put something together. A lot's changed. Starting off with the Lancer that I had on my first videos is gone, sold to a good friend of mine actually, so at least I'll still see it. I just don't have to enjoy the running costs of £600 a year road tax. I've managed to finish one of my cars and sold my previous rally car as well, so there's a lot that's changed. This video I'll base on the rally car build that I am still in process of. Built it enough to get it out and test it at a local motor club event. Berwick Motor Club held a rally festival at Brunton Airfield. It was set up like a stage rally, but it was a bit laid back. There was no timing or anything like that, so it allowed me to test the car and get used to what it would drive like and know what changes I can make to it going forward. Between myself and Kieran, we only managed to finish it a couple of hours before we turned up on the start line of the stage, so there was a few niggles in the morning and things didn't run right at all, and fixed the little bits and pieces that it needed, and in the afternoon full power was there, so made it a lot more enjoyable. There's a few things I need to finish off. I have had the car partially checked by a scrutineer that seem to say that they're happy with the cage and all those sorts of things, so hopefully it's just some up-to-date safety equipment and a vehicle passport, and I should actually be able to get it out stage rallying. So anyway, I'll put this video together, just a few pictures and a couple of little bits of in-car from the event, and hopefully got some more crack to come soon. And yeah, let's keep going from there. Thanks.